Hello everyone, my name is Ange, um, a, senior operation manager at Spokes of Hope Worldwide. Um, Today we are going to discuss about how to be an effective manager. In that discussion, we are going to cover two important things, which are the functions of management and the styles of management. By starting with functions of management, there are 5 important functions of management. Those ones are, first is planning, the second one is controlling, leading, uh, staffing, and organizing. We are going to start, I'm going to proceed with explaining each function one by one. Let's start by organizing. The manager performs the organizing function by creating a patterns among the workers on which they are going to accomplish their works. For instance, if we are in a solar company that provides in-home service, solar in-home services, the manager should create that working pattern by putting different departments like sales department that should sell the solar systems to the customers or prospects. There should also be the logistics to deliver the system from their stocks to the customers, and also the technicians to take care. That is how the managers organize that pattern so that the one work can be completed. The second, you can also continue with staffing. Staffing refer to the way is the function of manager, where the manager put the put the workers into different available roles. For instance, if there is a restructuring in a certain company and there is some free roles, the manager performing staffing function by moving some from their current roles to the upgrade or downgrade according to their skills and their performances. Let's proceed with leading. The manager performs this role of leading by directing people or directing the participants or showing the participants what they are going to do. An example of this is, for example, we are in a solar company. I'm using the solar company a lot because I have an experience with the solar company. I apologize. For instance, if you are in a solar company and we deliver in home services, the sales manager, let's take an example of a sales manager, can direct the sales in order to get to achieve their target. Let's take an example. If they are implementing new selling strategies like door to door, the manager can show them how to use different tactics in order to attract the customers. The next is planning. The manager perform the planning role by organizing and putting together different resources and see how they are going to be used and who is going to use that so that it can help them to reach their goals. Can take an example. If we are in a company that a different company, but there is a marketing manager who wants to market the new product. That manager can use available resources and different people to market the product. That is the planning. You have to develop a marketing plan that shows how everything is going to be done. The last but not least function is controlling. The manager performs the controlling by evaluating the performance of the individuals or the participants to reach their goals. For instance, if we are the sales people of a certain company, and they set goals in which we should reach. The manager keep track on our performance by seeing the number of sales we are bringing day per day. That is controlling. We are going to proceed with management styles. We are going to use three important management styles, which are directing, delegating, and discussing. By starting with discussing, discussing is when the manager can use the method of posing the question to the participant, and they brainstorm different ideas together so that they can get one solution, or they can come up. In general, the manager keep the participant, let the participant work, but from their discussion. They are the one who can decide how they want to work. This can be done. This role, this style can be used when let's take an example. If there is a manager who wants to market the product, but he's wondering how the different strategies he's going to use. From that, he can pose that question to different participants, and they start discussing with it after they come up with the conclusion. The second method is delegating. Delegating is a type of management style where the manager can give the work to the participant ahead of time without much control, but and he let them do it freely, and they come up with a product. Example, let's take an example. It can be a call center representative manager can be wanting the 1,000 calls in 1 month, coming month. You can, starting from now, telling the call center representatives officers to start the target, like I want 1,000 calls in 1 month to come. Then he let them. From that, these participants can do it as they want, schedule their time and do it. After that, the manager will come after the scheduled time and see the outcome. That is the delegating. The last one is directing. Directing is a style where the manager or the participant do everything told by the manager. It means that he gives them instructions, everything, but they follow them as it is. This can be used especially for instance, the sales manager can tell the customer that the sales officers that he lead that I want 100 and tell 100 customers and tell them that I want you to use this process like door to door or any other strategy that mentioned, so that I can get number of sales that I want. From that, the participants should follow that process. That is directing. Thank you for your kind attention.